Welcome to another Kaler Automation Project Showcase. In this edition, we're highlighting our solution at Landus in Boone, Iowa, where they needed a streamlined facility to service their customers of tomorrow. Landus constructed a state-of-the-art 3-bay facility for fertilizer, chemical manufacturing, and repack. The system features 2 access-controlled bays to dispense product simultaneously and be unstaffed 24/7, so customers can fill orders anytime. 24/7 automated receiving stages, valves, and synchronizes inventory based on product amounts. Chemicals can be received or dispensed in bulk. Indicator lights guide drivers to select the correct connection. Mobile workstations feature tablets and monitors for increased productivity. Load Optimizer maximizes their productivity with fewer transport trips. 3 repack stations allow streamlined distribution for loadout to totes. Every product is weighed during dispensing, increasing reliability while reducing maintenance. Localized control design simplifies installation and maintenance, ensuring connectivity throughout. Landus connected all of their locations that use Kaler software with Constellation, giving them complete site visibility for easier overall analysis and business management. Orders are communicated through a single interface managed in the cloud, reducing network vulnerability. Here's what Scott Aaronholtz, Acre Edge product agronomist at Landus, had to say.
So this facility at Boone is a brand new facility that houses a lot of crop protection and a lot of Acre Edge products, along with the manufacturing of those Acre Edge products. Kaler is very instrumental in helping us manufacture along with repackaging those products. Because Kaler is part of this facility, we're able to do this with less manpower, and we're able to do it more efficiently and effectively.
The system is designed with the operator in mind to maximize efficiency and ease of use to ensure that current and future customers get what they need accurately and quickly. From design, startup, and support, we're your trusted automation experts. When your process needs control, we are Kaler Automation.